Generative AI is a form of artificial intelligence that creates new content, like text, images, audio, or code, by learning from existing data patterns. Unlike traditional AI, which focuses on classification or prediction, generative AI responds to prompts by generating original outputs, making it especially valuable for creative and knowledge-based tasks. Let's see this in action. You've got a task. Generate a JSON file containing test data for a list of books. You type that into the AI as a prompt, along with some additional context. In seconds, it gives you your desired data. Now it's your turn. You review what it generated, make any necessary tweaks, and then use this data in your test cases or automated scripts. AI can seem overwhelming with all the hype and buzz, but let's be practical. It's not magic, it is just a tool. Generative AI is built on large language models, trained using supervised learning. These models learn to predict the next word based on billions or even trillions of examples. Here's a simple example of how a large language model like ChatGPT predicts the next word using probability based on patterns in language it has learned. The tester wrote a bug report about a. The model considers what word is most likely to follow based on patterns it has seen in millions of similar sentences. It might assign probabilities like crash, 40%, feature, 25%, login, 15%, and this goes on. Since crash has the highest probability, the model selects it, and the final result will be, the tester wrote a bug report about a crash. Here's another example to walk through the entire process. Suppose we start with this prompt. During exploratory testing, the tester noticed. At this point, the AI doesn't see the full sentence, it only sees the words up to noticed and asks itself, what word is most likely to come next based on everything I've learned? It looks at patterns from billions of sentences during training and finds the most probable word. In this case, it might predict, that is a common word that often follows notice. So now the sentence is, during exploratory testing, the tester noticed a. Next, it asks the same question again. What's the most likely word after this? It predicts, bug, a word that frequently follows in testing contexts. So far we have. During exploratory testing, the tester noticed a bug. It keeps going predicting next words like in the checkout flow, eventually forming the complete sentence. During exploratory testing, the tester noticed a bug in the checkout flow. This is how large language models like ChatGPT work. They generate one word at a time, always choosing the next most likely word based on everything that came before. This is how LLMs assist us in writing, thinking, summarizing, and automating, ultimately streamlining and enhancing our workflows.